Hello friends, Indrila from Moorpunk Design, Craft Tada, New Delhi. Sometime just got some time to actually do a video. A lot of people are asking about the blouses, so I thought that let me just showcase blouses because for everybody just coming over here is not a possibility. So we'll just showcase few blouses. Without a proper blouse, a sari never looks beautiful. It's always that the teaming of the sari and blouse only can make the whole complete attire, complete look stunning. So the first one, I start with the cotton. This is the first one. Beautiful, beautiful ajrak, blouse. Ready blouse. It's a ready stitched blouse. It's like this. I'll quickly show the blouse because so that I can show more. So this is the sleeve length and glass sleeves. It's a normal looking one, and this is the back. So it can go with any kind of colors like plain saris like maroon, indigo, black or white. So this sari, the blouse is it's kind of 42. It can maximum go to 42, and it's a pure cotton ajrak. 1250, 1250 is the price of this blouse. 1250. This is a block printed blouse. This is a block printed pure cotton blouse with this beautiful lavender shade. And how pretty is the color combination. So it can go with many of the many of your choice saris, and can go with a plain color chanderi or plain color bengal cotton or any kind of cottons. So this is the back of the blouse. It has a beautiful lavender lining, and the price is 1450. The chest is stitched. It can go up to 44. The chest size can go up to 44. Length is 15. This is a indigo, absolutely nice indigo block printed blouse. Nice indigo block printed blouse. Very smart with this kind of a lovely lace work. So that's the front. That's the front of the blouse. That is the sleeves. And see how smart is the blouse. Main composition of the blouse looks so smart. So this is with a this kind of a belt pattern is given so that the length is comes it's a little longer in the length. The length of the blouse is 16, and it can go up to 48 maximum. So it is basically semi stitched. So this is stitched semi stitched, open on the sides. You can just get the blouse stitched at your just get it fixed in your size, or if you send me the size I can also get it fixed. So this is the blouse, and the price is 1550. All these blouses are, I'm telling, all the sorry prices are without shipping. The shipping would be depending upon where it is going, 100 to 150. So it depends like where it is going. Ajrak, lovely smart looking ajrak in bottle green, and very nice natural dye colors. Very nice natural dye colors. So see that this is a little the length is 15 for this. Length is 15 for this. So that's the back. It's a sweetheart kind of a neckline. That this is the back and this is the front. And the price of this blouse is 1250. The blouse is comes at 44. Maximum size of the blouse can go up to 44, and the length is 15. This is an ikat, very pretty color, very pretty color. This is a pochampalli ikat material fabric with a beautiful color combination. Lovely vibrant color combination in ikat. Nice wooden buttons given in the front. There is a beautiful black piping, black piping given. So that's the front of the blouse. This is the back of the blouse. And these are all time wear blouses. These are all beautiful all time wear regular usage blouses, and the office goers and the service people, then the home people at home, everybody can wear it. I mean, there is no there is such comforts these blouses will give you. So the price is 1550. This can go up to 44 in this thing, 44 in size, and the length is 15. See this one, amazing one, amazingly looking amazingly beautiful blouse with a boat neck. This is a boat neck, normal the plain cut. it's not choli or anything. It's a plain cut blouse with a boat neck. So that's this so this has a batik, this has a batik border. This is a pure Bengal cotton. The cotton is pure Bengal cotton. The back of the blouse has batik, pure hand painting, batik wax painting. Basically it is completely, there is no print. This is painted, so this is batik painted. And so this is the front. So this 1850, and again 48 size, it can go 16 length, 1850. This is a beautiful handloom Jamdani weave blouse. Nice and simple, very smart looking one. So that's the front of the blouse. That is the front of the blouse. It's in Jamdani weave, and that is the back of the blouse. This is the back of the blouse. So this is like this. Very this is kind of a round neckline, and very smart, nice, plain, simple blouse, so that you can drape any kind of nice handcrafted sarees with this. And pure 100 count Jamdani cotton, lovely. Priced at, and the length is I think the length is 16, and the width, I mean the maximum width can go up to 48, and the price is 1850, 1850 plus shipping. This is the red one. That is, it's a red one, but this is maroonish red, not bright red. This is maroonish red. Very nice Jamdani motifs woven like this. Beautiful motifs woven. So this is the sleeves. This is the sleeves. So that's the plain simple blouse, cotton, 100% cotton, and nice motifs like this. See, and completely hand woven. No machine, no jacquard, nothing. 1850, 1850 plus shipping. So this is a red one. This is actually a little more red than the previous one. Beautiful one. It's like, see, this is the self weave. This checks are woven. Checks are woven. So this is the sleeves. That's the back. That's the back of the blouse, and the lower back. This Jamdani work is completely mentioned like this. See, it's beautiful. This is beautiful. So so this is another combination, lovely combination. You can wear blue with this, blue color sari, or purple color sari, yellow color sari, anything with this. And see the colors, these are the lovely colors present. So green, purple, blue, yellow, anything would go with this, any color. And the price is for this particular one is 2550, 2550 is the price of this blouse. This is a lovely cotton, lovely silk by cotton fabric, lovely silk by cotton fabric with this kind of a block printed sleeves, block printed sleeves. This is the Jamdani front. It is basically a mix and match. So this is the front part is Jamdani, hand woven Jamdani, and this is the sleeves. And the back has a beautiful paisley motifs, hand blocked. Beautiful paisley motifs, hand blocked. Very smart blouse. Absolutely very smart blouse with a temple. So it's a block and weave kind of a concept. Price is 2250, 2250. एक और ऐसा था लाल में, नहीं है, अच्छा एक ही है. This is another lovely ajrak, natural dye ajrak. So the back has this kind of a pattern. There is a connection like this. This is the back sleeve, back view, and back look of the this, and this has a back button also. So this is the back button. So that's the blouse, and this is the sleeves. Lovely blouse. It can go up to 48. Length is 15 and a half, and 1850 plus shipping. 1850 plus shipping. So this is the blouse. That's the glass sleeves. Another Jamdani with this same kind of trend, same kind of trendy looking back, trendy looking back. So that has a belt. So this is the back, and this is the lower buttons. The buttons are at the back. So these two blouses has back buttons. This is the Jamdani motifs, and this is the blouse. Beautiful blouse, very smart and very chic looking blouse actually, and very corporate like. I mean, you can go office, you can go to various I mean working place and all with this kind of blouse. So this is 1850. 1850. This is a gomiteni, a gomiteni border. It's again a very designer kind of a blouse where this is pochampalli ikkat. Then there is gomiteni sari and ikkat, and I have given the gomiteni material 100 absolute handloom cotton, Karnataka handloom. So this is the blouse sleeves. The sleeve length is little less, maybe around 10. Those are 11 and 12. So this is 10, the sleeve length. So this is the front of the blouse. This is the back of the blouse. This blouse can go with many dresses, many sorry, saris, not dresses. So that is the blouse. Beautiful and semi stitched. These are all semi stitched. It's a semi stitched blouse with lining, proper lining done. Price is 2550. 2550. And Assam Gamcha and Gamusha. Assam, it's called Gamusha. So Assam Gamcha. And so this is the front of the blouse with a Jamdani fabric. We have attached a Jamdani fabric in the front of the blouse. So that's the weave. That's the sleeves weave. See, this is shunk. The sleeves have this kind of beautiful shunk with a red Jamdani sari, or with any kind of sari with red kind of a combination. This is going to just rock this blouse. So this is another blouse. So pure 100% cotton. 2250. 2250 is the price. A lovely Kutch work, Sindhi embroidery. Sindhi embroidery. See the back, dazzling back actually. Beautiful back work. And this is a Bengal, this is a Bengal handloom border. This is a Bengal handloom border. So the front of the blouse is like this with Jamdani. So this is the front part of the blouse where the sleeves will come like this. This is all woven. This is all woven. There is no print. And the back has this kind of a fascinating Sindhi embroidery work. Black and white blouse. Looks marvelous. Black and white blouse are the most effective ones because we have lot of combinations. If it's a multicolored sari, any touch of white and black this kind of a blouse will go. 3200. 3200. 3200. Especially the price is mainly for this intense work on the back. 3200. We come to this coat part blouse. This coat part blouse is a hotcake sale because again black and white combination. So this is a pure handloom fabric from coat part, Koraput, Odisha. And so this is the back of the blouse. Beautiful work, beautiful border. And this is, I think, the 5th time I have made this blouse. Beautiful look and smart. So this blouse costs 2550. 2550. Another coat part combination of the blouse with kantha embroidery. See the kantha, beautiful kantha work. So this is the front of the blouse. Lovely kantha work like this. Lovely coat part material. Whoever knows coat part would know these blouses very well, and they are very smart looking and goes with many handloom saris. This blouse is for 2550. 2550. Another coat part blouse, red and kantha, red coat part, red color with kantha. Lovely kantha embroidery, beautiful lovely kantha embroidery. This is the front, then that is the back. That is the back of the blouse. So there are this patchwork. This patchwork is there on the sleeves as well as on the back and the front, Smart blouses, very smart blouses, very ethnic blouses. There is no machine or no polyester, no the fabric is not mixed, pure fabric and beautiful combinations. 2550. 2550. 2550. See how pretty. Absolute vintage Kutch work, vintage kind of a Kutch work. So this is the back of the blouse, this is the front of the blouse. Pure handloom fabric from Bhuj. And this is the blouse. The sleeves have this kind of a panel. The sleeves have this kind of a panel work, like this embroidery. So beautiful blouse, beautiful blouse, and very smart looking pattern. So this blouse is for 2550, 2550. Another ajrak body and a kantha patchwork blouse. Ajrak and a kantha patchwork blouse. So the sleeves have, a multiple concept combination. So this is the sleeves, and this is another sleeves, this is another sleeves. And so this is the front patch, this is the back patch. So this is the whole combination of the blouses like this. Shall I go a little back? This is the whole combination of the blouses like this, front and back. Very nice and a lovely, and all the blouses have absolute cotton, pure cotton lining with full constructions, and and it's a complete constructed blouse. You just have to stitch on the sides. And a lot of people are telling me the tailor charges full. I mean, in the sense that but that's very wrong. I mean, the tailor, since it has already been completely tailored, you can you can get it just the side stitch, that's all. So a tailor should not charge for the whole blouse. So that is very wrong on their part. So you can please insist to your people, to your tailors, that they should stitch on the sides, because everything is done. 2250, 2250. हजार बूटा उड़ीसा इक्कत उड़ीसा हजार बूटा उड़ीसा extra weft fabric in 100% cotton, 100% cotton handloom. This is called Hazar Buta fabric, and because this has Hazar Buta motifs made. This is Bengal fish kantha fish from Bengal. So this is the patchwork on the sleeves, and there is a beautiful back, beautiful back. So this is a lovely combination of the blouse, front and back. It's a neckline is v neckline, and the price is 3200. The price is 3200. This handloom fabric is extremely difficult to weave, and it's expensive, and there is a kantha work, and so it's a beautiful blouse. It can go with many things. 3200. Another same, I have only two pieces in this left. So this is 3200. So there I had made a few more combinations, but this is 3200, both the blouses. Then we come to a Pochampalli Ikkat blouse, a completely Ikkat combination. This is see, this is the front of the blouse. It's a blue and burnt sienna. It's called the burnt sienna shade. It's the blue, burnt sienna, and this is the blue, purple, pink kind of a shade. Very nice, and very colorful blouse, So this is the back of the blouse. All the colors. I mean, your sari has this kind of colors. If the combination suits, you can have a beautiful blouse. 2250, 2250. Another blouse with the handloom fabric. This is a complete handloom fabric from Bengal, and so this is the sleeves. This is the glass sleeves, and the back has this kind of a kantha patchwork. Back has this kind of a kantha patchwork. Lovely blouse. It goes with many sarees. 2250, 2250. Chanderi Chanderi cotton blouse, beautiful printed Chanderi cotton blouse with this kind of a ajrak modal patchwork. Beautiful blouse. The front and back looks like this. The front and back looks like this. Lovely one. You can team up with many sarees, many sarees. So lovely patchwork and lovely blouse, smart and decorative. 2250, 2250. Another Chanderi fabric, Chanderi, beautiful beige color Chanderi blouse with this is machine embroidery. But see, the embroidery color combination is very nice. Color combination is very nice. I know few people in my in my patron group who love this kind of a gray and pink combination. So that's the back of the blouse. Full embroidery, complete embroidery is done. And see the beautiful blouse, absolutely, and fully done. Only you need to stitch on the sides. It's fully fully done. 1800, 1800, 1800, 1800. This is a three tin fulia fabric, Orissa handloom cotton, tin fulia fabric. Tin fulia means these three lines of fish and rudraksh, three lines of fish and rudraksh. So three lines are tin fulia. So this is like this fabric, completely Orissa handloom fabric, absolutely beautiful, looking beautiful looking. And so this is the front of the and this is the back. So this very rich, you can actually use this blouse for a marriage purpose also. It's so rich, absolutely beautiful, rich, and lovely one. So 3500, this is 3500, this is 3500. Now we come to tussers and cotton tussers and silks also. So this is a tussar cotton blouse. This is a tussar cotton blouse with ajrak hand block. This is a tussar cotton blouse with ajrak hand block done on the sleeves, and jamdani fabric in the body. Jamdani fabric in the body. So this is the jamdani fabric, and this is also tussar by cotton. This fabric is also tussar by cotton. Very smart one. This is the front of the blouse, and this is the back of the blouse. And these are all the woven lines. These are all the woven lines. So this is one black and white kind of a blouse. So this blouse costs 1450, 1450. This is another, this is another, this is another, this is a jamdani fabric in between, and this gray part is tussar cotton with ajrak, gray part is tussar cotton with ajrak. Absolutely beautiful blouse and neckline and everything. Very smart one, and it's comes with a steal price 1450, coming with a steal price 1450. So that's the blouse. Pure Assam tussar blouse, pure Assam tussar blouse with Assam weave, this kind of motifs, woven motifs. It's a pure 100% tussar fabric from Assam, thick tussar actually, handloom tussar. So that's the back of the blouse with this full Assamese motif woven border. So this is a beautiful blouse and can go with many sarees, including Bengal handloom jamdani on tussar. Any kind of combination, plain tussar, plain red tussar would look very nice. So this is this price of the blouse is 4750, 4750, 4750. Another beautiful tussar, tussar, pure tussar silk blouse, with this kind of a patchwork and this kind of a kutch embroidery, on the sleeves. This kind of a kutch embroidery on the sleeves. See the sleeves. This is the border. This is the front. This is the back, and with a kutch embroidery border. This is also a very lavish blouse. Lovely blouse. 3850, 3850, 3850. This is a jacquard, this is a brocade kind of a look. This is a brocade, this part is brocade. This is silk brocade, silk brocade with golden woven border. This is a woven border, this is pure silk, and this is a brocade front and back. See, this is the front and back. And the price of this blouse is 2550, 2550. And this is a pure silk, purple silk, this kind of a pure brocade. This is not brocade, this is tanchoi. This is tanchoi, pure silk tanchoi. This is pure silk tanchoi fabric, pure silk Banarasi tanchoi fabric with this woven zari border. So this is like this purple, purple color. Whoever has any, so the color is very nice. It's a short color, and you can wear this lavish blouse with many sarees. 2900. See this, I'm also wearing a purple jamdani, so this kind of a purple goes. So this is another blouse. So this has this is also purple, that same tanchoi blouse, but the border is plain. The sleeves don't have any border. Many people don't like borders on the sleeves, so the sleeves are plain and just the fabric. And so this is the front and back has border. Front and back has this zari border. So it's like this beautiful one. If anybody wants this a zari Gold zari piping can be put here. Gold zari piping can be put here. 2900, 2900. Now we come to some Seco kind of a fabric, Seco fabric with painting. So this is the ikat. For front is the made with ikat pattern. Ikat pattern, no, ikat fabric, pure Pochampally ikat fabric. The back of the blouse has this kind of hand painting, this kind of nice hand painting, and these are all very rich blouses, rich blouses. So this is this is your hand painted sleeves. So that's the back, and this is the front. The pricing is 2250, 2250. This is a peacock, this is a peacock painting. This is the front of the blouse. Front of the blouse is in ikat. The peacock color combinations has the ikat color matching the peacock color combination, and this is the sleeves, and back is painted. The sleeves and the back is painted. See the beautiful peacock painting at the back. See, I'll show you. Lovely peacock painting at the back. Lovely. See, 2250. This Rani blouse with this kind of an ikat patchwork and painting. Beautiful blouse, lovely blouse, and you would get myriad of combinations to wear with this kind of blouses. This kind of very, very festive blouses. These are all very festive blouses. These are all very festive blouses. You can wear a Banarasi also with this. You can wear a Pochampally silk with this. Anything. The price is 2250. 2250. Another combination is bottle green, and that that umber, that burnt umber shade, and this is the bottle green combination. That's the sleeves combination. That's the sleeve combination with this kind of painting. And blouses are very, very sought after with me, because people just love to wear matching blouse and sari. So this part and this will come on your right shoulder. So this is a reverse, you can see here. So this comes on your right shoulder. So palla will be on your left. So the whole painting is visible beautifully. The whole painting is visible beautifully. 2250. The last of the series is this lavender shade with yellow, this burnt umber kind of a combination of ikat. This is the sleeves of the blouse. So this is the front, and this is the back. The back has this kind of a, these paintings are all inspired by Rogan painting, the real Rogan art. These are not Rogan art, but inspired by that. So this is the blouse. So we end our blouse video in with this last blouse, 2250. Please let me know whoever wants which blouse, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.